Hey guys, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. So today I'm going to be showing you 3 different fun and fruity nail art looks. The first one is this one, which is a cherry inspired look using a Chroma polish called Garden Treasures as our base. So let's get right into this. So I have used 2 coats of the polish, as you guys are seeing there, and now I'm going to use some acrylic paint for all of the art, which I'm going to do for this whole video. So first up for the cherries, I'm starting off with clusters of 2 dots each. I kind of just want to put these randomly all over the nail. I definitely want to leave space for the stems, which I am now going to paint on. I'm doing everything in white first just to give the polishes that I'm going to, not the polishes, the paints that I'm going to use that are colored pop more on a white base, if that makes sense. I feel like I totally just like paused way too much. But putting a white base down just helps the regular colors like red to pop on top of a green instead of having to do 2 or 3 coats of red to get it to pop on the green. So now I'm going in with the same dotting tool that I used to create the dots, and I'm just filling in the pre-made dots with red acrylic paint. And later we will add in like more details to the red to make it more realistic like cherry. I mean, granted, it's not going to look that realistic, but you kind of know what I mean. Like when you see cute notebooks that have little cherry graphics on it, we're going to do that. So now while the red dries, since we're going to put a color on top of the red, I'm going to fill in the stems and the leaves with a green acrylic paint. Here I am only doing a 1 tone of green paint. You could do a 2-tone green and kind of put a line on the leaf. That is up to you. If I were going to do that, I would probably use like a lighter grass-like green to fill that in just to bring a contrast. Now for the detailed part, I'm just going to put a little swoop of white on the sides of each cherry just to kind of give it like that shine look. And now it is time for top coat after it is all dry, and you're good to go for this cherry design. Next up, we are moving on to our citrusy nail art, and this is going to be on top of Couture, also by Chroma from the new summer collection. So I'm going to start by doing 2 coats of it. It's a really gorgeous polish I swatched earlier this week, and now I'm going to do the same method that I did on the first manicure, is going in with white acrylic paint first and like sketching the design. So for this, I am going to just sporadically put on circles. I kind of want some off the edge of my nail. I kind of want some on. It's just gonna be whatever will fit on your nail, and you don't really have to worry about having a ton of space because you're not doing any additional art like we did with the cherries and the leaves. You're just doing circles. So you kind of just want to space them out so you're happy with them. After that, you're going to go in with orange on a few of them and color some of them in with orange, and then you're going to color the other ones in with yellow. You could like change this part up and kind of do like a reddish orangey one and kind of make a grapefruit if you wanted to, but I have stuck with the oranges, blood orange, and lemons. Again, you could also actually do even limes if you wanted to, but like I said, I stuck with 2 or 3 combinations just to make it easier on video. And this is actually what I did on my nails as well. So after that is done and your circles are all filled in, I'm going to go in with kind of almost a burgundy color and fill in like one of the oranges to give that your blood orange center. And then I'm going to go in with white and start sketching in the middle. So basically you make a round circle in the middle, and then you just connect the lines in the middle to make like little slices, which you guys will be able to see better on this orange one. You can do this however you like. It's pretty simple, and you don't have to worry about it being perfect because, I mean, no orange or fruit is perfect. Although, I mean, they're near perfect. Anyway, after that, you put on your top coat, and you are good to go. Next up, we are doing my favorite one of the video, and it's a watermelon look on top of Where the Sky Meets the Ocean, also from Chroma. This one is a group custom that will be available that I will have all the information on. So this is a 2-coater as well. As you can see, it is gorgeous. So apply your first 2 coats, and again, you could use any blue polish that you want. And now what I'm going to go in and do is create kind of triangles, but one of your triangle sides needs to be rounded or curved, however you want to call it. And again, you're going to do these sporadically all over your nail as well. Now, one thing I didn't mention before was that if you don't want to do this on all of your nails, you don't have to. You could pick 1 nail, do it as an accent. You could do it on 2 nails as an accent. Like, there's so many options. You are not confined to doing it all on 1 nail. I mean, all on all of your nails. You could do it on just 1 and it'd be perfectly fine. It'd be super cute and fun. And again, you can do different color combinations to make this fit for whatever you like. I just love this contrast of the blue and the like pinkish red for summer. I think it's perfect. So After I've put all the white triangles in, I'm going to go in and take the rounded sides and add a green acrylic paint. I have started with like a Christmas tree green, and I am going to go ahead and go in a bit with a lighter color green just to kind of give the little green effect that you get on a watermelon rind. As you can see I'm doing here, it sometimes helps to water down your green, or just make sure you have a minimal amount on your brush so you don't get too much and it take over and not look like a rind, if that makes sense. Now after that, I'm going to go in with like a reddish color. For this, I did do like red in the video, but in my actual picture of the nail art that I did add in a little bit of pink because, you know, sometimes you think of pink in a watermelon color, because I feel like in the middle of summer you get watermelons that are kind of more pinky, whereas right now the mini watermelons are quite bright red. So I thought it'd be fun to kind of show you guys both ways, and here I'm just using straight red acrylic paint, not mixing anything, whereas in the art I did mix in a little pink. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put in 3 little black seeds. Like, of course we don't necessarily want seeded watermelons to eat, but I think it makes it great for a manicure. So after that, you're going to put your top coat on and you are good to go. And again, with all these, you want to make sure you have a no smear top coat. So here is a final look at all 3 manicures that we just created. I absolutely loved doing these and enjoyed wearing them. So I hope you guys enjoyed these as well. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you guys like this, where there's like multiple nail art looks in one video, let me know and we will try to do that more this summer, because I want to get so many nail art designs out there, so many swatches. I just have so many ideas and almost like not enough time. So I'm going to do my best to get it all out. And I'm sorry this video is a little late, but happy National Nail Polish Day. Is it actually national? It is nail polish day, so that's all that really matters. So I hope you guys are having a great nail polish day, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time, and I think that's it. Bye!